Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. I'm so excited. We're going to be doing in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Boxycharm. If you're interested, keep watching and see what I got. So for those of you who do not know what Boxycharm is, it is basically a monthly subscription box of beauty and makeup products. And you can get a base box, which is $25 a month. You would get 5 full-size items in that box. The estimated value of that box is $125. You could also upgrade that box to the Luxe box, which you would get every quarter. That is $50 for that quarter, and you would get 8 to 9 beauty products in that box, and the estimated value for that box is $395. You could also get the premium every month, which is $35 every month, and you would get 6 to 7 beauty products in that box, and the total average value is $200.15 plus for that box. So I have the base and I have the premium to unbox. I'm so excited. Let's dig in this and see what we got. This is not a Luxe month, but when Luxe months come, I do get that Luxe box. So let's see. Last month was our Luxe month. Yeah. So let's see. Let's open this up. I love opening it on camera just to be as surprised as you are when I open. See, it's still sealed. So I'm guessing the smaller box is my base box. So, and I will have, if you're interested in Boxycharm, will have the link below. You could use my referral code. And this is the base box. All right, so it's got a card. So excited. So this month it says save the date. Candy shop, baby. So the variation I got is number 30 for my base box. I got 5 products in here, and let's get started. So the first thing I pick up is this right here, and it's from Luxy. So I'm so excited to open it because I think we all know what it is. So this is Wanderlust Set. Create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxy pouch for glam on the go. So the average MSRP for this item is $40. Oh, this is a nice look. Even the zipper is rose gold. So that is so pretty. Oh, yes. So they're all, I love blue. Blue is my favorite color. Look at that. That is so pretty. Look at the rose gold handles. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. I love Luxy brushes. They're really nice. They're soft, medium angled. You're going to get, this one is the blending. Oh, look at that's a nice detail blending brush. So I love those. This one is going to be a tampered blending. Oh yeah, we could all use more blending brushes. If you're an eyeshadow girl, you will love your eyeshadow brushes. Oh, look at the spoolie. It's a little bent, but some people like to bend their spoolies like that. Gives them a little bit more. Look at this one. This is a large shader. So that is nice. It's full. It's fluffy. So I love brushes. So I'm excited about this product. And it's $40. So I paid for the box. So thank you. I love it. So let's get on to the next item. This is going to be Dose of Colors. This is Dose of Colors Meet Your Youth Concealer. This multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. The MSRP for this item is $24. So it's really nice to get complexion products in subscription boxes, because that, you know, it normally doesn't happen. So I think this was my choice item, and I really love that because you got to pick the shade that was right for you. So this is the shade that I picked. It is light medium, so I can't wait to try that. Yes, so I guess I'll have a video coming up for that. And the next item I pick up is Brazilian Kiss by Sol. I love Sol de Janeiro products. This one is Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter, a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of capuca butter, ake, and coconut oils, cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with a scrumptious aroma of douce de lait. So I love any kind of lip treatments. Give it to me. I always had dry lips since I was younger, and I use a lip mask at night. I use a lip oil in the morning. But oh, I can't wait to try this. So it has a slight tint, but it's very clear. Let's see what it feels like. It feels really nice. So look how cute the packaging is. This is how it looks. Look how cute. That is just super cute. That is super cute. The MSRP for this item is going to be $20. So the next item that I pick up is this. This is from Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner. This says, this is a lip liner duo. The Draw It lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. MSRP for this item is $16. So let's check it out and open it up. Got hair in my mouth. Whoa! I didn't thought there was one in there. There's two in there. So this is one. So that's one. And this one is Be Peachy. And then there is this one. Ooh, I like that. You know, I love my reds. This one is So Gorgeous. And it is so gorgeous. I'm so excited for this. So the MSRP for these liners is $16. Whoop. So I'm loving this box so far. So the last item that I pick up is a palette. This is the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. This says it's from Beauty Bakery. Beauty Bakery's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transition touch-up. So let's see what it looks like. I might give this one in one of my palette giveaways. Let's see. Oh, these colors are really pretty. I'm going to take the protective sleeve off. Look how pretty these colors are. Doesn't have a smell, but that is super pretty. Super fall colors. Breakfast in Bed. The packaging is really cute. I like that. Let me put the protective sleeve on, and then we can add it up and see what we got for the base box. If I can put it back on. All right. So that is the base box, and we're going to add this up and see what we got. All right, so let's add it up. So we got the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. So that one was $38. Then we got the Luxie Wonderlust set, which was $40. Then we got the Dose of Colors Meet Your You Concealer, which is $24. Then we got the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter, which is $20. And we got the Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner Duo, which it was $16. So this box was $25, and I received $138 worth of products. Now that's the MSRP, the base price that they're saying for these products. So let's get to the premium box. So excited. All right, so this is the premium box. Let me open it. It's still sealed. Let's see what we got. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, we got a card. Looks is the box. So let's see what we got up in this box this month. So this says it is number 18. That is my variation for my premium box. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. So the first product I pick up is from MAC. It has 43 lash, a pair of false lashes that are dramatically long and wispy, and also feature a long winged out edge. The MSRP for this item is $18. Now y'all know, if you watch my channel, I like natural looking lashes, so we will see. These look like they're separated, but I don't know, maybe not. I don't know if I'm going to open this because I might put this in a giveaway, because I really do not like dramatic lashes, but they are pretty. It comes in this case right here. I like the case. So that is those, and MSRP for that item is $18. So the next item I pick up is from Kosas. This is a color and light cream. This one says color and light palette, powder blush and highlighter. An ultra blendable powder blush and highlighter palette and versatile duos of balancing, brightening, foolproof, clean, and skin cushioning formula. Each duo is available in 2 levels of intensity for color that complements every mood and every skin tone. So the MSRP for this item is $34. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. So this is from Kosas, which I like Kosas brand. If I could open it. Oh, that's really pretty. That looks like my alley. I think I might have picked this. Either I picked it or they picked colors that I would have loved. So this looks like a blush, and this one is the highlighter. Oh, it's a cream. So these are cream products. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Ooh. So that is the blush, and then right next to it is the highlighter, if you could see that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to play with that. So the next item I pick up is from Laura Geller, New York, 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. This one is in Pink Pucker. So let's see. This is No More Air Kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with soft satiny color that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. The uniquely curved applicator hugs lips for a precise application. The built-in well delivers the perfect amount of color with each application. The MSRP for this item is $21. So let's see what this bad boy looks like. Ooh, look at that color. That is so pretty. Super pigmented. Can't wait to try that. So the next item I pick up is from Clarins Paris Instant Smooth. This says Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch. This ultra light award-winning primer leaves an imperceptible veil over the skin surface, soaking acacia micro pearls, fill in pores, fine lines, and deep wrinkles. Vitamin E hydrates and nourishes for foundation ready skin. Experience the Clarins difference makeup with skincare benefits. The MSRP for this item is $39. So I can't wait to use this because I can use all the Skin Perfecting and line. Look how cute the packaging is. Oh, and it comes with a spatula. I love spatulas. I collect these things. Am I weird? So look how cute that is. So it is a primer. Can't wait to try this and show y'all how it performs. So the next item that I pick up is exfoliating swipies. Okay. It says Go-To Skincare. So this is from Go-To Skincare. Exfoliating swipies. These single-use exfoliating pads soaked in all natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid and most gentle of all AHAs is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. The MSRP for this item is $35. Now, I have gotten away from using makeup wipes or any kind of pads. I use bamboo reusable cloths to wipe away my makeup or do anything that I need to do with my face. If you hear my daughter, she's playing in the other room. I will show you the packaging is super pretty, super pretty. I might put this, I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway because I finally went away from using makeup wipes or anything like that. So I am going to put this in a giveaway. So that is the other product, and I said the MSRP for this item is $35. The next palette that I pick up is from Illuminati. Ooh, Illuminati Cosmetics. This is the Illuminati X eyeshadow palette. Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel Bedoya for an ultra versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or perfect daytime look. The shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person. The MSRP for this item is $48. So we will look at the colors and see. Oh, it's in plastic. I've never seen this before where you had to open it up. It's actually in a plastic seal, which is good, but I haven't ever seen that in a palette before, have I? No. I don't think so. I don't know. I'm old. I don't remember. My memory's gone. But this is the palette. It's super pretty packaging. It's cardboard, but it's still pretty. It says a 12-month shelf life, so we will look at this together. It has a nice big mirror. It's a lot of pastels, so I like, that's a really pretty palette. I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway. So keep watching for any upcoming giveaways because you might be getting this palette. So exciting. So that is the last item in my box. So let's add this up and see what we got. So we got the Illuminati Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which is $48. Then we got the Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch Primer, which is $39. Then we got the Kosas Color and Light Palette, Powder Blush and Highlight Duo, which was $34. Then we got the Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies, which was $35. And then MAC Cosmetics Lash, the 43 Lash, was $18. $18 for lashes. Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. Those were $21. And that is a estimated value for this box is $195. So what do y'all think? I think I got a lot of nice stuff. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is the end. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to receive any notifications of any videos that I will upload. Until next time, guys, y'all stay blessed.